Hi guys, welcome back to another day. Today, I'm heading to the Bronx Zoo for an event, so stay tuned. Alright, in the Bronx. Now I gotta find this bus, the X19. Let's see. The thing here is there's two buses. There's one on this side and there's one back there, but I don't know which one goes to the Bronx Zoo. Which one goes to the Bronx Zoo? The Bronx?
Yeah, you went to the bus 19.
This one or okay. Alright folks. It's fucking raining, yo. I'm about to go to the deli and get a fucking beer. Because I know today's gonna be, I'm tired already. Today's my last day working. I'm exhausted. So I think I deserve it. Deciding these. I had to buy myself a beer. I've been working 3 days straight. I've been tired as hell. Haven't had a beer, so before I go straight into work, I might have a brew. And I got the Corona one. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to take you guys a sneak peek of what I do a day in my life as a banquet catering server. So let's get it. It was mad sunny when I got off the bus, and right now it was like drizzling a little bit, and right now it's like it's about to pour. I didn't bring a sombrilla. I didn't bring I only got a vest. I forgot my raincoat. Cause I always look at the news, that's for sure. Every morning I check the news, but today, last night I got home like at 3:30. I woke up at 8, got ready, and straight to work. So I didn't have a chance to look at the news, check the weather. But if it pours, I hope it's smoother. Because I don't know if it's a wedding today or anything else, but I think it's a wedding. So it sucks for them because sometimes they have their cocktail outside. Pero a ver. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to give you guys that behind the scenes. I just got here, so don't forget, subscribe, notification bell, the like button, the share button, and let's get it. Yeah. So that was lunch. Now we're about to go inside to finish up and start the day. Waiting on assignments.
Efren,
Yeah.
Kyle, Mark, Lily, Anastasia, Evelyn.
So this is the Madagascar exhibit that they're gonna be passing by through. Let's check it out.
No, you're right. I'm doing a dumb tourist thing. I'm taking a picture of this.
No, that is beautiful, because I keep hearing it and I didn't see him
We're
before.
working next to him.
See, these are cousins of the piranhas.
Madagascar cockroaches. That's a snake.
No, they're over here.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
All right.
This is the way we gotta go anyway, but
Oh wow.
come on.
Lucky them.
Oh my gosh, I cannot look at that.
Did you see the cockroaches?
Oh,
They're like this big.
That's nasty, yo. That's dope that they're gonna be passing by here. And we're just fucking around for now. But they left me, so I gotta catch up.
It'd be like that.
You see that? It sucks to be that person. I dropped all that right before everyone's gonna have.
Imagine if the
That
animals
shit
were
broke.
moved. Look at and the animals were
Oh,
moved, so it would just
hell
be like,
nah.
give up.
Hey, who's ever on the other side of the store? Can you open it?
Do you want me to go?
Okay, can you push it open? All right, thank you.
Let me go this way.
You can't. Okay, wait. Try it now. All right, thank you.
Damn. Oh my god, yo.
Well, I don't feel good about it.
Nah, I know. We got like a few minutes left. So yeah, the thing we're laughing about is the damn handlebar to the door that we have to come in and out to bring drinks from it broke. So we can't even get in. The people from the other side can't even open the door because there's no handlebar. Oh, I'm so tired. So they're saying it's lunchtime or dinner. So yeah, excited for that.
My nigga right here. You know the vibes?
Tired, but finally. But I guess see what there is. Earlier was sandwiches and shit. Now let's see what happens. With the geese. On lunch break, y'all. So now they got my ass putting these caps on the chairs. It's already 12:13. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Finally time to be out, man. Alright, now that I just got out, I don't even know where to get the damn bus, yo. I'm about to Uber this shit home or Uber this shit to the train. And then from there, go home. Let me see what I do. Alright, now that my cab is here, I'm about to head home. Don't forget, catch you guys in the next one. For E-Front. Alright. Peace.